Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over will observe tomorrow 27th October as a Black Day to signal their firm rejection of India's illegal occupation of their homeland and their unwavering commitment to right to self-determination as acknowledged by the United Nations. People in occupied Kashmir will mark the day with a complete shutdown. Call for the observance of the shutdown and the Black Day has been given by the All-Party Hurriyat Conference. Jailed APHC leaders, including Chairman Musarrat Alam Butt and Shabir Ahmad Shah, in their separate messages, characterized India's invasion of occupied Kashmir as a blatant act of aggression, lacking the legal or moral justification and assault on the political and democratic rights of the Kashmiris. Other Hurriyat leaders and organizations, including Muhammad Yusuf Naqash, Abdul Samad Inqalabi, Ghulam Nabi War, Fayaz Ahmad Jafri, Maulana Sibte Shabir Qumi, Democratic Freedom Party, Jammu and Kashmir National Front, Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front, and Jammu Kashmir Students and the Youth Forum have reiterated the primary demand for the Kashmiri people is to end the illegal Indian occupation and to secure the right to self-determination of the Kashmiri people. Protest marches, rallies and seminars are planned in Azad Kashmir, Pakistan and around the world to condemn the Indian Army's invasion in 1947 as well as the revocation of Kashmir's special status by the BJP-led Indian government in 2019. It was on 27th October in 1947 when the Indian troops, in total violation of the spirit of the partition plan of the subcontinent, had militarily invaded Jammu and Kashmir and illegally occupied it against the will of the Kashmiri people. Indian forces have intensified extensive search operations across various districts of the occupied Kashmir. The troops have deployed drones and helicopters in large-scale operation that began Thursday night in the Bota Patri area of the Gulmarg Baramulla. In the Ganderbal district, search operations and raids have continued for the 7th consecutive day in multiple areas of the district.